Okay, the Fission Peckle dishwasher. Not sure if it's functioning or not. Nothing happened if I press this. It's always been flashing on this fast. So if I press this, there's a sound. And like this. So it seems like I cannot adjust all these function, or it just cannot be adjusted. So if I tap in, doesn't really have some response. And then if I pull out, I can easily pull out. Let me try it again. Yeah, it's hard to open. I think it's in the process of a program, but nothing really happens inside. You can't hear any, the washing. Maybe just stay for a while.